What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to change password on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner and then go to the settings and privacy drop down box. From there, head over to settings and then go to Meta Account Center. Go to your information and permissions. Go to personal details, and from here in the account ownership and control, you can see once you're there, tap on password and security and then go to change password in the login and recovery section, and from here choose your Facebook account and you just need to tap your current password in here and tap your new password and again retype your new password. And once you do it, just if you want to log out of other devices, you can check mark it. If you don't want it, you can uncheck it and then just tap on change password. And yeah, this is how you can change your Facebook password. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.